So I found this old hickory in a storage unit years back. Didn't know what it was. Had never seen an old hickory cut down into a bushcraft hunting knife. But now I've studied it, and we're going to do our own right here and see how it turns out. So stay tuned. So I used this here cutting wheel to cut it down, and it looks more, kind of the style I was wanting. I don't believe I'm going to cut that blade off right here. I believe I'm going to leave it this long. It did take off a few inches of the knife and still gave it that look I wanted, and I believe I'm satisfied. So here's the finished product. We took this old hickory and we turned it into a little bit shorter of a blade. I never cut into the edge. I just came from the back and made it a drop point, and then I adjusted that handle for just a good palm swell.